Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair Bluetooth earphone to our phone. Guys, you have paired any Bluetooth device, means any earphones, Bluetooth speaker, earbud, and guys you want to unpair it. So friend, how can you unpair? In this video friends, I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So it's now time to start video friend. First of all guys, we will on our phone setting to unpair our earphones. And guys, sorry for this sound guys. So friends, now continue. So when we will scroll it friends, you can see your more connection setting friends, tap here and just click on your phone Bluetooth setting. As you can see guys, we have paired this Ubon CL20 company earphone and guys we want to unpair. So how to unpair? Right side you can see guys the setting option friends, tap here. Friends you can see this forget option means unpair guys, tap here to forget it means it will unpair to your phone. Guys you cannot use, guys you want to use guys you will have to pair again guys, you can see. So like that guys you can unpair your Bluetooth earphone to your phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye friends.